Alright guys, so in this video I want to talk about how the program works. Okay, so my goal for you is that within a few weeks, not only are you getting to know the movements and you're feeling better about doing each of the lifts, but you're also feeling comfortable enough to come in, grab your notebook, and look at the board, and then you see the program and then you understand what to do. So based on what you did last time, this is what I'm gonna do today. That's my ultimate goal for you, is to be self-sufficient in understanding how to do the program. That allows me to spend more time coaching you on your form, talking to you about nutrition, just seeing where you're at mentally throughout this whole process of this lifestyle transformation. And also just helping you make little changes to the program as necessary if you hit a wall or you're progressing faster than you expected. But this way I don't have to hold your hand the whole program and tell you what to do the whole time. You're going to be gaining this knowledge. So that's my goal with this video, okay? So this workout, you will do your first 3 months training, okay? Eventually you'll progress to a more advanced program, but for now, your first 3 months, we're just hammering away at the basics, okay? So we've got 2 workouts, all right? Now we've got workout A, which consists of a squat, a bench press, and a TRX row. And the TRX rows are the ones with the rings. I'll be doing a video for these exercises in this series as well. Workout B, deadlift, shoulder press, and dumbbell row. That's what the DB stands for, dumbbell row, okay? And so you're coming 3 days a week, but we've only got 2 workouts. What that means is we're going to be alternating between each workout. So let's say you come on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every week. On Monday, this Monday you're going to do A. Wednesday you're going to do B. Friday you're going to do A. And then next week, Monday you're going to do B. Wednesday A, Friday B. So you're just alternating A, B, A, B, A, B, just like that, okay? So let's talk about what that looks like. So when you come in Monday, first of all, I just want to say we've got all these, I've broken down each lift individually because each lift progresses slightly differently, okay? And all this is on the board at the gym, so you'll see that. But you'll see we've got a bunch of numbers, right? Under squat, we've got 4x4, 4x5, 4x6, repeat plus 10 pounds. We've got W/KB, which just means with the kettlebell. So this first progression, you're doing it with the barbell, okay? All these other progressions, when we bench press, when we shoulder press, when we deadlift, unless I've given you special instructions otherwise, you're gonna be using a barbell, okay? Same thing on the squat. However, most of you are starting with the kettlebell. That's one where we hold it up against your chest and do squats. So those have separate progressions if you're using a kettlebell or a barbell, okay? So you've got these numbers. You see 4x4, 4x5, 4x2. So let me just break down what that means really quick. If you come up here, you see 4x4. The first number is the number of sets. Okay, that's a group of repetitions. The second number is reps or repetitions. Remember, repetition is if you go up and down, that's 1 rep. You're gonna do that 4x4 means you're doing that 4 reps. Once you've done 4 reps, you take a break. That's 1 set that you just completed. You do that a total of 4 times. So let's say for deadlift, you're doing 4 sets, 2 reps. You're picking the bar up, putting it back down. 1, picking the bar up, putting it back down. That's 2 reps. And then you're doing that. You take a break, you take a minute rest, minute, 2 minutes, and then you're doing 4 total sets. Okay, so a set is just a group of repetitions. Now, in this progression, it doesn't include weight, okay? You will have already written down how much weight you used on each of these exercises, so we're just assuming that the weight goes in front of this. All right, so let me break this down and give you some examples, okay? So let's look at the bench press, all right? Let's say that today you're doing workout A, and let's say that the last time you did workout A, you did 50 pounds, 4 sets, 4 reps. So you're going to look at your bench press. You say, okay, I did 50 4x4 last time. You just go down 1. So today you do 50 4x5. And then the next time that you do workout A, all right, you're going to say, okay, I did 50 4x5. So today I'm going to do 50 4x6. And then the next time you do workout A, you say, okay, what's the next step? Oh, it says repeat with 5 more pounds. So you go back to the top. We're doing 4x4 again, but we're adding 5 pounds to the lift. So this next workout, you're going to do 55 times 4 times 4. All right, I hope that makes sense. Let's go over another progression, okay? We'll do it with 2 more lifts, okay? So let's do squats with the kettlebell. Let's say you're holding the blue kettlebell, the black kettlebell with the blue stripe. That's 26 pounds. Let's say you did it today, you did it 26 4x6, okay? So the next workout, you would do 26 4x8. You just follow the next step on the board. Which means that the following workout, you just take the next step, 26 4x10. And finally, the next step would be repeat it. So we add 10 pounds. We actually don't have a 36 pound. We do have a 35 pound kettlebell. That's the yellow one. So we'll do 35 times 4 times 6. And then the next workout, 35 4x8, 35 4x10. And next time you'll move to the bar. All right, so we'll do one more lift, okay? We'll talk about the deadlift. All right, so on the deadlift, let's say you did 115 times 4 times 2, okay? Then the next workout, you would just do 115 4 times 3. The next workout, you do 115 4x4. And then the next workout, you'd say, okay, repeat it with 10 more pounds, 125 4x2. So you just keep cycling through. And each lift, it works the same way, but each lift has a different weight increase. Okay, for your shoulder press, we're just going up 2.5 pounds. For your bench press, we're going up 5 pounds. For your squat and your deadlift, because we're using more muscles, those lifts tend to be stronger. We're gonna go up 10 pounds, but it's the same concept. So you start at, the lowest one, you increase reps, start back over with more weight. Increase reps, start back over with more weight, okay? So you do that with each one of your lifts, okay? And you're gonna track that in your notebook. So the only other thing I have left to talk about are the rows. The rows don't follow a set progression, okay? For both the TRX row and the dumbbell row, we only increase reps or weight when you feel very comfortable with it. Okay, so let's say you've been doing the TRX rows for 8 workouts now, okay? And you're doing 4 sets, 4 reps. And on that 8th workout, you're like, hey, it's still challenging, but I know for certain I could get another rep with good form. Then you just go up to 4x5, okay? So I'm gonna hold you accountable here, but you need to kind of progress by feel. You shouldn't have to use sloppy form to add more reps, but over time, within maybe 4 to 10 workouts of doing that movement, you should be able to add a rep. Same thing with dumbbell row. Let's say you've been doing 25 pounds, 4 times 10. So you've done it for 4 workouts, you're feeling strong. Well, next time you just go up 25 times 4 times 12, or we can go up to 30. And I'll actually help you guys with progressing your rows, okay? But as far as your squat, your bench, your deadlift, your shoulder press, I want you guys to watch this video, watch it again if you need to, and then ask me any questions you have and see if you can figure out how to do it on your own. I want you to be able to come in, look at your notebook, and know exactly what you're gonna do next time. Of course, I'm here to help. I'm here to answer any questions that you have, so feel free to ask. You're not dumb. It takes a minute to pick up on this program, but my goal again is for you to be self-sufficient so that I can coach you in things that are more important.